and welcome. In this video we are going to learn what the start sleep command does. So the start sleep command lets the next command in the script execute only after the specified time has gone by. So here we have a function with 3 start sleep commands. 5 seconds after we have initiated the script, then this command will run. And after 7 seconds, this command will run. And after 10 seconds, this command will run. Let's start the script and have a look. In this video we have learned what the start sleep command does. Thank you for watching my video and remember to like, share and subscribe.